Welcome to this video. What we're going to be doing is learning the basics of Forex trading success from one of my favourite traders. His name is Curtis Faith. Now, not only was he a great trader, he's also a fantastic author. He's written two really fantastic books. They're called Way of the Turtle and Trading Instincts. Now, if you're a beginner coming in the markets, want to know the basics of what it takes to win, those books will put you on the right track. If you're a more experienced trader, I'm sure you'll enjoy the wisdom in the books and find something you can incorporate in your trading strategy. Now, before we discuss Curtis Faith in more detail, just want to give a brief introduction to who he was, for those of you who might not know him. Now, he was actually on the original Turtle trading program. It was a program devised by Richard Dennis to prove that anyone could learn to trade. And what Dennis did was he took a group of people, no trading experience, taught them a method in 2 weeks, gave them some money to trade. They made him $200 million in 3 years. Now, in terms of Faith, he was the top performing turtle. Now, yeah, as a trader, I heard about the turtle experiment many years ago, read up on it in the book Market Wizards, edited by Jack Schwagar, and we all knew that the turtles had made a huge amount of money, but they were bound by confidentiality not to reveal the method. Now, that confidentiality period disappeared, and before the confidentiality period disappeared, there were a lot of people, turtles, who were selling turtle secrets for thousands of dollars. Faith came out, released the rules for free. I remember seeing them first, and I thought, actually, you know what? That is incredibly simple. The turtle trading rules are very, very simple. They are very hard, though, to execute. Why? Because you're losing the majority of your trades, and you have to stick with the method. Now, in terms of the turtles, the actual system was based on very sound logic. You are always going to get big trends in the markets, and you don't need many big trends to cover your losses if you keep them small. Turtles were probably losing about 80% of their trades. Now, in terms of the turtle trading program, some turtles did better than others, and some were actually thrown off the program because they couldn't follow the rules. And that really proves to me, what Forex trading is all about. It is just a simple system that you need to win, but you've got to have the psychology to execute it consistently and control risk. Most traders can't do it. You can see from the Turtle Trading Program, they were taught by Richard Dennis, one of the great traders of all time, and yet some of the turtles could not follow the rules. Now, if you take the way they entered trades, it was incredibly difficult. Why? Because they would buy market highs on a breakout, for example. So the price has already moved. Most traders want to wait for the pullback to get a better price. That isn't the thing to do. You need to go with the breakout. Probability is it's going to continue. Now, in terms of the turtle trading edge, it's well explained in the free PDF, and Faith goes into it in more detail in his book, The Way of the Turtle. Now, if you're trading, you have got to understand your trading edge. It's got to be based upon sound logic. The turtle trading rules are based upon sound logic, the psychology of price movement. Now, I think most people misunderstand what a trading edge is. In fact, most traders don't even consider a trading edge when they come in the markets. You ask most traders, what's your trading edge? Why are you going to win? When 90% of traders lose, they can't answer you, or they'll give you something that isn't an edge. Now, today in the markets, the big sort of movement is towards predictive pricing. So what you do is you say, well, prices should go from here to here, back to here, up to here. That is just predicting the market. Prediction doesn't work. You can't predict Forex prices. So when people think they've got an edge with prediction, it soon crumbles when they get a few losses. I mean, their confidence crumbles because they don't understand the edge. The edge must be logically based, and you must understand how and why your system is going to work longer term. So, one of the lessons of the turtles is don't try and predict anything. Just basically trade with probability on high odds entry points. Also, in terms of stop losses, make sure they're in. Make sure that you've got enough time to ride out a lot of losers. before you hit a winning period again. And the turtles were actually taught that after a period of losing, you think you're never going to get a winning trade again, you will get winners. And I think most traders really have a problem getting through those drawdown periods. For the turtles, it wasn't a problem for people like Faith, because they knew that they were going to get winning trades. They're always going to come. Now, in terms of Faith's other book, Trading Instincts, he started off on the Turtle Trading Program, a very systematic trader. Trading Instincts, he then starts to believe, and he makes the point in his book, that there is a place for instinct in the market. You can't really follow mechanical rules anymore. Why not? Because the internet has come into play. That has changed the Forex market since the Turtle Trading Program. How has it changed the markets? Well, everyone's got the same price information at the same time. That wasn't the case in the past. People would get the price action at different times, like banks, floor brokers would have it first, then large, well-capitalized traders next, and then the retail trader later on. So trends were much smoother. Today, all the money comes in the market at the same time on a breakout. And more often than not, there isn't enough buying power to keep the breakout going, or selling power in a downtrend. The price comes back. So you've got a different type of market. Markets are much more choppy than they were. And Faith makes the point, you can use your instincts to filter out trades. So you still have rules, but you're using your instinct to filter the trades that you think are the best. Now, in terms of Faith, I think he is one of those traders that we can all learn from. And I've got my favourite 10 quotes now from Curtis Faith. They are really excellent. You should read and digest them, especially the second from last one. Second from last one is a mistake that most traders make. If you've been losing in the markets and not achieving the profits that you want, note that second quote. Now, I am going to be doing a full video on the whole Turtle Trading Program. It's in much more depth, but I wanted to do this one because, Faith is someone I really admire, and I don't go into so much detail on him in the main Turtle Trading video. It's more to do with Dennis and Eckhart, who taught the trading rules and the history and all the rules themselves. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with my favourite 10 quotes from Curtis Faith. He was a turtle. I'm not going to do the quotes over a picture of a turtle, but I thought I'd do it over some pictures of the ocean, just to make a nice background. So here are the quotes. I hope you enjoy them. Take care and have a good day.